Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Body Centre is an accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. So guys, it's all go out the front here today. There's been cars dropped off everywhere. The doors are coming up. There's lorries dropping things off. It's pretty mental. Seagulls everywhere. Anyway, we have this lovely Audi R8 in this week. I don't know about you, but I love this older shape still. The new one is obviously really nice, but the older shape, it's one of them iconic Audis. Now, this one's not in for nothing major, in all honesty. As you can see, the roof is already black. Now, that has been wrapped in gloss black. Hasn't had the best job at all. So we'll be taking that off, redoing the wrap on the roof. We've got a small chip on the passenger side door. So we're going to be stripping the door accessories, repainting that door. The two sill covers, they've got a lot of stone chips on there. So again, removing those, repainting them. What we're then going to be doing is then PPFing both the sills as well. We need to leave it a good week and a half to 2 weeks for that paint to gas out to then PPF on top. So within that 2 weeks, we're then going to be doing a full premium package at TBC detailing. The whole car's going to have a 3-stage cut. We're then going to be applying Matrix Black, the 8-year ceramic coating. Once that is done, we're then PPFing the whole front end, as this car is going to be fully protected. The ceramic coating to the rest of the car and the full PPF to the front end. So we're going to take you behind the scenes, guys. We're going in the booth, we're going in the strip and fit, we're going in the detail bay, we're going everywhere. So let's go behind the scenes and follow this journey. Let's go.
Should we do that again, Jake?